We continue carving the design line around her ear. Remember, the whole point is to keep it tight so that it's effortless, and when the wind blows or however she decides to comb it, it will always be in place in the perimeter, the nape, and around her ears. This is looking really good. I'm just going to go in and make sure the nape and the sides are nice and tight and have no uneven ends. Click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, ask us any questions about textured hair cutting. We love getting questions and responding. We're located in Northern California. We'd love to help you with your hair texture, your hair color, and your hair cut. You can book a private appointment online on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com, or you could just give us a call, 707-319-1490.